Unit 4. Let's get into cell biology. Learning objectives: to compare the plant cell with the animal cell and understand their similarities and dissimilarities. To understand the cell as a fundamental unit of life. To know and understand the different types of human cells and their related functions. To know the functions of different cell organelles. To compare different cell organelles, their functions, and know their similarities and specialities. Introduction. Sona had a dinner. Some hour later, she experienced a stomach pain and went to a clinic. After examination, the doctor told Sona that she had eaten food contaminated with a type of bacteria which might have caused food poisoning. Bacteria are microorganisms that can be seen only under microscope and not seen through naked eyes. Salmonella species is a bacteria that can cause foodborne infection. Our earth is a beautiful place wherein different types of organisms happily coexist. From minute mosses to huge conifers, invisible bacteria to huge blue whale. All have a basic unit called cell. Let us study about the cell. Cell as a fundamental unit of life. The building wall is made up of numerous bricks. In the similar manner, a beehive is composed of numerous hexagonal units. Some of the organisms are represented by a single cell. Therefore, they show a simple organization. The basic functional unit of an organism is called a cell. Structure of a cell represents the arrangement of parts or organelles in a cell. Function is the activity of each part or organelle in a cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of an organism. You learned that atoms are the basic building blocks of matter in chapter 3. Likewise, human body is made up of animal cell and plant is made up of plant cell. Unicellular organisms. Some simple organisms are made up of only one cell. They are called unicellular organisms, which can be seen with the help of a microscope. There are many single-celled microscopic organisms. Have a look at the image of Chlamydomonas and an amoeba as single-celled organisms which carry out entire functions. The body of all organisms are made up of tiny building blocks called cells. Bacteria are also one-celled unicellular organisms. Multicellular organism. The cells are organized into tissues, organs, and organ systems in a multicellular organism. Macroscopic organisms are visible and consist of many cells. The body of macroscopic organisms involves various functions. You can see cells of onion and human through a microscope. Onion and man are examples for multicellular organism. Cell to organism. Many cells function together to form tissues. Different tissues combine together to form an organ, and different organs to form an organ system, which leads to form an organism. Organisms. Many types of organ systems function together in a body, that is, for example, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, etc.